Hello and welcome. My name is Ola Ostaszewska and I am the Deputy Director of the IBFD Knowledge Center. Today I'm joined by my esteemed colleagues, Angelika, Carla and Oana. And together we'll share some insights about our think tank, the EU Tax Law Study Group, and its recent initiative, the EU Tax Focus.
So what is the EU Tax Law Study Group? Well, conceptually, it is a think tank dedicated to the study of the European Union tax law developments. Practically, it is a subgroup within IBFD's European Knowledge Center.
Our group consists primarily of specialists in EU direct tax law, but we also count on the support and expertise of our IBFD colleagues in other EU topics, such as indirect taxation and transfer pricing.
We closely monitor EU tax developments and ensure quick responses through various IBFD products, such as tax news services, journal articles, and contributions to tables, country chapters, and courses.
The international tax law wheel is spinning fast, and the European Union is, in many instances, leading the way. Also, more than ever, tax is being used as an instrument to achieve common policy goals.
A decade ago, we mainly dealt with directives such as the Parent Subsidiary and the Interest and Royalties Directive. However, now, numerous EU tax initiatives are moving at an accelerated pace, and that is precisely why we closely monitor EU tax initiatives at various stages.
In addition to EU tax initiatives, we also closely follow the state aid cases related to taxation, including the ones covering member states' tax ruling practices, and we monitor the activity of the Code of Conduct Group on business taxation.
The case law of the Court of Justice of the European Union is also constantly evolving, with new judgments promoting a deeper integration of the internal market in tax matters. Naturally, this comes with additional complexity and nuance.
As we all know, keeping up with the EU tax developments is becoming increasingly challenging. That's why we have been exploring various ways to support our readers. In response to the ever-evolving tax landscape, the EU Tax Law Study Group has created the EU Tax Focus. The initiative is a collection of notes that provide insight into the progress of ongoing EU direct tax initiative and explore other EU tax topics.
Our notes are the missing piece between IBFD Tax News Service, the dedicated commentary on EU direct tax, and the analytical articles in IBFD journals.
The ETF notes are freely accessible and are published towards the end of each month. You can subscribe to the ETF dedicated newsletter so you never miss a note, and follow along IBFD social media on LinkedIn for more updates.
Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to supporting you in navigating these complex tax matters.